Hey, thank you. I came to serve and not be served. My name is Mike Cartwright, and it's an honor to help, along with our Republican Liberty Caucus, Hillsborough County, host this event. And it's been my honor to get ready to introduce our featured speaker. As I prefaced that I came to serve and not be served, that I wanted to make sure that you knew that we're trying to serve the Republican Executive Committee by inviting all 17 clubs to come to all of our meetings and to stand up and introduce themselves. You see, we're doing the best we can. It's gaining traction and stuff. And to serve our Republican Party by having events such as this, so that we can build relationships and make our communities stronger. I served 21 years in the Hillsborough County Sheriff's Office, and it was an honor to protect and serve. And that's why I want to preface that, so we have our special guest who is a state attorney. She has a role both as a law enforcement officer and as a politician. And we want her to share with us about her campaign and about her office. And as I had prefaced and spoke with her, we want to make sure that we get to share with her, because we are, I think, are all in agreement that we, the people, are the ones that ask and expect our government to serve and protect us, and that it doesn't come from Washington, D.C. and Tallahassee always, and they give us the marching orders, that we are the people, the one that elect them and ask them to serve and protect us. So as part of this introduction, I asked with her permission to read out a brief bio that I got from the Tampa Bay Times. Yes, it's our only mainstream media, and we realize that they're often biased, but I just did want to let you know that this wonderful bio was not just created by me. Hillsborough County State Attorney Susan Lopez. Born in Tampa and living in the same house she grew up in, she said she attended Tampa Prep and Plant High School before graduating from Middlebury College, where she was on the women's rugby and cruise teams, and Suffolk University Law School. She also listed studying abroad at Flinders University in Australia in 1998 and at the University of Barcelona in 2000. She is of Spanish descent, but she said she is considered that she is white and non-Hispanic for purposes of her application. She worked for the state attorney's office prior to her appointment as a judge. Susan Lopez worked as assistant state attorney in the 13th Judicial Circuit since 2005. She served as lead attorney from 2008 to 2013. Before getting promoted to deputy chief of the narcotics division, where she oversaw all drug trafficking prosecutions, including those from wiretap investigation. Quote from Susan, "My practice reflects the enduring trust that has been placed in me to handle serious, significant, complex, and substantial criminal cases. I earned that trust by showing respect to victims and witnesses, working in partnership with law enforcement officers, treating with candor and respect my opposing counsel, and always remembering that I am both an officer of the court and servant of the law." She also worked as attorney of the 2nd District Court of Appeal, which hears appeals of trial court decisions from 5 of Florida's 20 judicial circuits. Among the 14 counties covered by this circuit are Hillsborough, Pinellas, and Pasco. It represents 6 million people. She's our state attorney. She's not the police. She's not the governor. She has a limited role. So I preface that so that when it comes time for her question and answer period after she's done talking, you're going to have some great questions, and we want you to ask those questions. Susan knows the difference between softballs and hardballs. So we want to ask the type of questions, because that's how we let her know what we, the voters and the people, want. So if you will, when she gets to the Q&A, don't blame her for everything. Realize she's just the state attorney's office. So let's give her a chance to defend and offer her opinion. Ladies and gentlemen, your Hillsborough County State Attorney's Office, Susan Lopez.